Hi viewers, welcome to our channel where we learn how to protect wealth and money matters. Today we want to talk about vehicles, and if you are a car owner or a motor vehicle owner or a lorry owner, tractor owner, this video is yours. If you are a financier, you finance people to get vehicles, this is your video. If you give people finance and use vehicles as a collateral, this is also your video. Or if you are yearning or planning to buy a vehicle in future, welcome, so that let us learn together and know how we can protect this asset or this liability, depending on which angle you are looking at it, so that it may not interfere with our savings, our investment, or the process of growing wealth in the society. And in most cases, those people who have vehicles, they usually protect their vehicles by putting a CCTV, car track, and steering lock, wheel lock, and you realize that those protection may not be enough, and maybe they are not protect you in case the vehicle catches fire and get burnt, or if it is stolen, or maybe if you get yourself into an accident, the vehicle is broken, it's right off. Those protection may not be enough. Sometimes people go and look for divine intervention. They pray for their vehicles so that God may protect them in our endeavors, or even in our life when they're using that vehicle on the road or anywhere. And that is good, because everything comes from God. All wealth comes from God. Wisdom and everything you have, you need to put God first before everything. And despite of all those, there are still some risk that may interfere with your savings or investment or any activity of your business or life. If you have a vehicle and the vehicle get an accident, it is damaged from an accident, it becomes write-off, it is stolen, or it gets burned, or it injures somebody, you may realize that that vehicle can injure somebody, and it gives you a big liability that you cannot manage to pay. Let's assume that vehicle has knocked somebody and the court award that person like 4 million, and in your investment, your net worth maybe is 2 million. You will not be able to pay that liability. So you need another protection to help you in case of such thing if it happens. So if for this case, there are underwriters or insurance company that give this cover. You can buy with a little premium and get a good protection against your asset, against your vehicle, or against financial loss that you may get when a vehicle get lost from these risks. So if you get a comprehensive insurance, you will be rest assured, you'll have peace of mind. You'll get a protection from damage, from an accident, fire, theft, liability, and even windscreen. When the windscreen of your vehicle is broken or shattered, you can claim separately from the underwriter and you become compensated. You proceed or continue with the activity of building the nation or generating income to yourself. If you have a radio cassette in your vehicle, if it is stolen, still the insurance company can allow you to claim separately and have compensation, and then you'll realize that the money that you saved or the money you're using for your investment may not be interfered in such a case. You'll just go to the underwriter, fill a claim form, and then you're compensated. So you also need to have an insurance agent or an intermediary to help you in such cases when you are busy doing your business, you are involved in other activities of generating income. So if you have an agent will help you in advice, claim process, underwriting, and everything. So you will just be told what to do, and then the process becomes smooth. So you need to get one agent for yourself who is registered. I'm also one of them. I'll put my number in the description below. You can WhatsApp me, you can call me in case you need my services, that is underwriting or insurance services, even claim. And apart from that basic comprehensive insurance, there are other extensions you need to put to cover your interest or your financial interest in that vehicle comprehensively or extra comprehensively. For example, there's a extra cover you need to put into that policy which is called excess. you'll pay some little amount of money to cover excess, so that in case of any accident, the underwriter or the company will not ask you to contribute into your claim or pay something so that the claim is processed. Your vehicle will be repaired, your total loss will be paid without being asked for excess fee. There's also another extra benefit you can add, that is called personal accident, and there's a video I gave on this channel. You can look for it and learn the benefit of personal accident. You realize that the comprehensive or even the third-party insurance policy does not cover the policyholder. It doesn't cover the driver of the same vehicle. It doesn't cover even the conductor. It doesn't cover the immediate family members of the policyholder, that is wife and children. So if they want to be covered, and if they buy personal accident, they'll get even more extra cover, because this cover will cover them even outside their vehicles. If they get an accident anywhere, they'll be compensated. If they get they get injured inside their vehicle, they'll be compensated. So you can add the premium, and somehow little, usually little you can get for 2,000, 1,500, 10,000, depending with their income. So that don't cover the vehicle, don't cover your driver, don't cover your conductor, don't cover the third parties, and you don't cover yourself and your family. You get a personal accident at a cheaper rate. Add to your personal accident, add to your comprehensive insurance policy. There's also another one extra benefit you can add. It's called loss of use, and this loss of use will help you to get financial gain. For example, if the vehicle is at the garage after an accident, or you're processing your total loss claim, or you're processing your theft claim, you're processing any claim on motor vehicle, before you get your money back or get your vehicle back from the garage, it means you will not be having those services. You used to go to work with that vehicle, it means you look for another means to go to work. If you used to earn money from your matatu, it means you'll not be getting income from that matatu, or you're using that lorry to get people's services and they pay you. There'll be no income at that particular time. So if you get loss of use, the company will give you money to look for another vehicle to help you sort yourself before you get your vehicle back, or before you're paid money to go and buy another new vehicle. So get yourself a loss of use cover at an extra cost. The premium is usually 10% of the money that you want to be paid in case something happens. If it is 30,000, you'll only pay 10%, that is 3K. If it is 60, you'll pay 6,000, and you're good to go. And for those people who have for the institution vehicles, so those people who have schools, hospital, churches, they have these vans, the vehicles that carry staff or church members. You need to get an extra cover for those members that are being carried in that vehicle. That extra cover is called passenger legal liability, or PLL, at an extra cost of 500 only, and you cover them in case they get injured, they die. The insurance company will pay them. At the same time, your vehicle is being repaired, or your total loss is being processed, to be given a check, so that your financial position may go back the same place before an accident occur. For those few remarks, thank you. I know we've learned a lot. If you've not become a member of this channel, please subscribe there so that you become a member of this channel. I don't charge for this knowledge. This knowledge is free. The only thing you can do is to subscribe and become a member. Like, you can even share, comment, so that people should also get more knowledge. Don't be mean with the knowledge that can help people to build wealth, protect their wealth, and live well. Thank you very much, and see you in our next video.